Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Sprite, and this is it. More about that in a moment. Today's video has been kindly sponsored by Caravan Magic. Caravan Magic are a UK company and they're based up in Scotland. They manufacture cleaning products for caravan and motorhomes. I've been using quite a few of their products recently. The Wash Wizard is excellent. It gives a nice clean finish to the caravan, almost looks like it's been waxed. But if you've got a really bad caravan, and believe you me, I've cleaned a few in the recent, I've been using the Crud Buster. Now this is excellent. If your caravan or somebody's caravan that you're going to clean is black or green, this baby will get rid of it. So I'd like to thank Caravan Magic for sponsoring this video, and there's a link below to their website. So I'm here at a very busy Stuart Longton's in Chorley, and we're checking out the 2023 Sprite, and this is the front, and I'm well impressed so far. Carbon fibre effect gas locker and chrome grab handles. Let's take a look down the side and see what the graphics are like. So out with the old and in with the new, and we have these new striking graphics. I love the blue and turquoise colours to the graphics. Really stands out, tells you what it is, and it looks the part. So sitting in the lounge of the new Sprite, it's quite a bright and airy experience. They have replaced the upholstery with this mid-tone grey, and they've also added a paler blue coloured curtain, which is quite pleasant. On top of that, to make it a lot more brighter, they've also included new paler wood finishes to the cabinetry, which I really do like. It does feel bright and airy inside this caravan. So now we find ourselves in the kitchen, and there's been one or two changes in here. But first of all, let's take a look at some of the things that are being retained. They've retained the stainless steel sink, which I'm really pleased to see. It is a lot easier to clean than the plastic versions of old. Now, Swift have kindly provided a bowl for this year, which I think is a really good idea. Me and Juliet spent months trying to find a bowl to fit this sink, and now Swift are providing it as part of your package. The gas burner hob is retained with 3 rings. There's no electric plate, and we still have the oven and grill combo. New features for the caravan this year are the Dometic fridge. We now get the fridge that opens on either side. And for me, the best feature of all is the new microwave. I think this is great. It's a flatbed microwave, so it eliminates the circular motion of the platter, so you don't have to hide that under the cushions when you're towing. So very little's changed in the bedroom area. We have some new upholstery that matches the soft furnishings in the lounge. I'm pleased to say that they've retained their partnership with Duvet mattresses. These mattresses are so comfortable. We love ours in our Sprite. So finally, let's take a look at the bathroom, and this is one area I'm very keen to show you because there's some really upmarket little touches been added to the actual bathroom area. So let's take a look at those now. The upgrade for the bathroom this year is the shower unit. The wall boards are finished in a slate effect, but to prevent it from feeling claustrophobic and dark, the right hand panel is finished in a white marble effect. So that was the new 2023 Sprite. Swift have put the prices up this year by 6%. However, what they've also included is a lot of new features, which I really do like myself. I love the new carbon fibre gas locker and chrome grab handles. Sets it apart from the competition at this price point. And also, I like the bathroom. I love the new wallboarding in the shower. And also, the plateless microwave. That is another thing I like. I've not included all the features in this video because some of them haven't changed from last year. But thank you very much for watching, and thank you to Stuart Longton's for allowing me to film. Bye for now.